Hello there, and welcome to the building block. Here is an example involving division of complex numbers. Let's say we have two complex numbers, a equals 3 plus 2i and b equals 3 minus 5i. So how do we divide a by b? Well, to divide complex numbers, we need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. The conjugate of a complex number is simple. You just switch the sign of the imaginary part. So the conjugate of 3 minus 5i is 3 plus 5i. If you want to dive deeper into why this works, check out Block 2.6 where we cover the theory in more detail. Now let's get to the math. We're multiplying 3 plus 2i times 3 plus 5i in the numerator and 3 minus 5i times 3 plus 5i in the denominator. So let's start with the numerator. Use the distributive property. 3 times 3 equals 9, 3 times 5i equals 15i, 2i times 3 equals 6i, and 2i times 5i equals 10i squared. I squared equals negative 1, so 10i squared becomes negative 10. Add up the real parts, 9 minus 10 equals negative 1, and the imaginary parts, 15i plus 6i equals 21i. So the numerator simplifies to negative 1 plus 21i. Now for the denominator, we're multiplying 3 minus 5i times 3 plus 5i, which is a difference of squares. You can see once you distribute that the second and the third term cancel. So 3 squared minus 5i squared equals 9 minus 25i squared. Since I squared equals negative 1, 9 plus 25 equals 34. That means that the final result is negative 1 plus 21i divided by 34. You can also write it as negative 1 over 34 plus 21i over 34. And just like that, we've completed our third example with complex numbers. Each step is simple when you take your time, multiply, simplify, and apply the rules. Again, thank you for watching the building block. Catch you next time.